My dear student, today I am going to teach you another important topic in the trigonometry, that is standard angles and also trigonometric ratios of angles 90 degree I can teach. So in that we need to consider right angle triangle. So opposite to right angle the side name is hypotenuse. So I will keep my angle, that is specific angle or standard angle here. So name it theta. So theta I want to make 90 degree because so today I am going to teach you that is trigonometric ratios of angle 90 degree. So this angle may theta is here means opposite to this angle, this side is opposite side you can call. So other side is definitely adjacent side. So look at here. So here theta 90 degree, I can make 90 degree in two ways. How means if I make this angle 0, definitely this angle will become 90 degree. If I make this angle 90 degree, then only I can make this is 0 degree. So look at here how I can make this angle 0 degree means. So here hypotenuse is there here like this. So here some angle is there, some angle, just imagine some angle is there to this angle. So this angle if I reduce, some angle is there if I reduce like this. So look opposite to this angle, the side is adjacent side is there. So look at here, this side is a hypotenuse. So if I reduce this angle, so it is goes on, adjacent side is goes on decreasing, and hypotenuse side is goes on increasing. So goes on decreasing, hypotenuse side is goes on decreasing, and this angle is goes on increasing. So look at here, this angle is goes on increasing, and the adjacent side is goes on decreasing, and hypotenuse side is also goes on decreasing. This you have to keep it in mind. So when this here, look at here, so this side is goes on decreasing, this angle also goes on decreasing. We know, dear student, side opposite to equal angle. So here this angle becomes 0 0. This side also will become, look at here. So this side is goes on decreasing and this angle is increasing and hypotenuse is going to, it has to become opposite. How means, see look at here. This hypotenuse is becoming decreasing and this angle also increasing. This adjacent side is decreasing and hypotenuse will become opposite side and this angle will become 90 degree and adjacent side will become 0 degree and this side, this angle will become 0 degree. So let us find a sine 90 degree. So we know, dear student, sine theta is equal to opposite side divided by hypotenuse. So sine 90 degree. So I kept my angle here 90 degree. So sine 90 degree is equal to opposite side AB divided by hypotenuse is AC. So in this case, opposite side and hypotenuse are equal. So AB divided by AC. In place of AC, I can substitute AB also. Or in place of AB, I can substitute AC. So AB divided by AB gets cancels. So you will get 1. So sine 90 degree is equal to 1. So second trigonometric ratio is cos theta. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side divided by hypotenuse. So adjacent side in this case is BC divided by hypotenuse is AC. So in this case BC became 0 divided by hypotenuse AC. 0 divided by whatever may be the value, you will get 0. So cos 90 degree is 0. So let us find tan 45 degree. We know, dear student, tan theta is equal to opposite side divided by adjacent side. So opposite side AB divided by adjacent side is BC. In this case, adjacent side became 0. So AB divided by 0. Anything if you divide it by 0, it is not possible to divide. So we will write ND. So it is not divided. So tan 90 degree is ND. So let us find cot 90 degree. So we know cot theta is equal to adjacent side divided by opposite side. So in this adjacent side is BC divided by opposite side is AB. So BC length anyhow it becomes 0 and opposite side AB. 0 divided by AB whatever may be. So you will get 0. 0 if you divide by whatever may be the value, you will get 0. So cot 90 degree is 0. So let us find sec 90 degree, that is the secant 90 degree. So secant we know, dear student, it is hypotenuse divided by adjacent. So in this hypotenuse is AC divided by adjacent side is BC. In this, when this angle becomes 90 degree, so this side becomes 0, BC becomes 0. So AC divided by 0, whatever may be the value of AC, when denominator becomes 0, so this one we can't not possible to divide by 0. So it is ND not defined. So secant ND is not defined. let us find that is last trigonometric ratio, that is cosec 90 degree. So cosecant theta we know, dear student, hypotenuse divided by opposite side. So cosec 90 degree is equal to hypotenuse is AC. So divided by opposite is AB. So AC divided by AB. So in this, because in this case both are equal. Both are equal. So opposite is equal to hypotenuse. In place of AC you can substitute AB, or in place of AB you can substitute AC. So these two will cancel. So same thing divided by CB is 1. So cosec 90 degree is 1. Look at here student. So these two are reciprocal to each other. So sine and cosec are reciprocal to each other. So sine 90 and cosec 90 both are reciprocal to each other is 1. So here cos and the secant both are reciprocal to each other. When it will be 0, reciprocal of 0 is 1 divided by 0, it is not defined. And these two are reciprocal to each other. So tan ND is ND means, so that is 1 divided by 0. So that is reciprocal is 0. So cot theta is, cot 90 is 0. Okay, best of luck my dear student. Okay.